Hi, my name is Sharon. I'm the owner of Dame Mas Dance, a studio located in Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada. And in today's short bachata tutorial, we will be discussing a variation of the side-to-side basic known as the back cross step. So as I had mentioned, the back cross step is a variation of the side-to-side basic. So I'll just quickly review the side-to-side basic, and since I'm facing the camera, I will be doing the follow timing where this is my right leg. So in the side-to-side basic, you're going to step out to the side, to the right 1, together 2, out 3, tap 4. Then now you're going to the left 5, together 6, 7, tap 8. And in the back cross step, you're going to cross back on steps 2 and 6. So we start off like a regular side-to-side basic 1, but now we're going to take our left leg and cross back 2. And as you see, as we cross back, our body angles slightly to the left. Then we're going to step out to the right 3, tap 4. Now going back to the other side, we step to the left 5, cross back 6, and now my body's slightly angled to the right, out 7, tap 8. So to do that more smoothly, 1, 2, 3, tap 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Now to do it from this angle, stepping out with my right, 1, back 2, out 3, tap 4, 5, back 6, out 7, tap 8. So the lead timing will be stepping with your left on count 1, and it's the same exact move, but you're just starting on your left side. Let's put those moves to music. So I hope you enjoyed that short tutorial on the back cross step that you can use in bachata. For more information on the classes that we offer, please visit us at our website at damemasdance.ca, and check us out on Facebook at Dame Mas Dance Studio and on Instagram at Dame Mas Dance. Thanks for watching.